Hello! Today we're gonna tone our hair together. Super excited to show you how. It takes like 10 minutes. It takes like $10, 30 minutes of your time. Let's get started. I have my notes and my coffee. I'm ready for this. Materials. You're gonna need developer and toner. So for developer, there's a scale of 20, 30, and 40. I'm using 30. The higher the developer number, the more it opens up your hair follicles to let color in. So the higher the number, the stronger the developer is. This is toner. I'm using Wella T18, which is lightest ash blonde. I just use this because on dark Asian hair this does something. But there's a whole spectrum and you can pick and choose which one you think will work for you. And then you also need a brush and a bowl. Let's get started. Let me show you guys my ratchet setup. Okay, I'm on the floor with like a painter's sheet. Okay, ignore that. Please focus. You want to put in your toner first, and then you want to put in the exact same amount of this, and then you mix it. That's literally it. It's so easy. Just gonna do this live. Okay. Okay. As you can see, it's like kind of, you can't see it, but it's clear right now, and this will turn purple. It's really cool. Okay. Oh my god, is it open already? No, this is okay. Okay, so this in here, as you can see, it's like yellow. A little science experiment. And then the same amount of this. Open a window. Okay. And then you mix. Oh my god, it smells so bad. This will turn purple, which is really cool. And I'll put on a white shirt so you guys can see it like turn purple as I tone my hair. Cool, I'm gonna let this sit. The next step is to dampen your hair. You want it to be like not wet, but like not dry. You want it to be like damp. Okay, I'm gonna do that and change. Hello, we're back. Next step is to apply this all over your hair where your balayage is, and you need to work fast because you'll see it change color. But yeah, let's get into it. You want to make sure you saturate your hair. Okay. You literally apply this as if you're applying conditioner. And it's already turning purple, which is cool. You just... Okay. Oh my god, it's not getting on. Oh my god, time is of the essence. Okay, good enough. Okay, that's done. Now this side, I'm gonna section this off more. That probably would be easier. Okay, we have this piece. Oh, I should have done this on the other side. I forgot. It's been a while. Okay.
I could take you back to my youth, show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with the place to know. In the moment I'm on this blue.
I think this bottom part is done. Oh. Moving on to the top. Nice, it's only been 5 minutes. Yeah, okay. Same thing on the top. Okay. I'm gonna start on this side. Gonna take a section. Oops. Brush it out. Oopsie, I dropped some. You can see how my shirt is turning purple. That's kind of cool. Okay, so this side of my head is done. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see kind of how like the color is changing to be a little bit more gray and purple. And when you wash it out, the color would have been deposited. Okay, that's on that side. Let's finish the top half of this. It looks so... Okay, okay. Same deal. Last piece. Finally, I'm so hungry. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. My entire head is covered in toner. I'm just gonna let this sit for like 10-15 more minutes, and I'm just gonna like open my hair up and look at it and make sure it's like getting to the ashiness that I like, and then a little bit more ashy, and then I'm gonna wash it out, just shampoo and conditioner like usual, and I'll come back and show you the results. And just to show you what it's looking like, it looks really dark right now. Don't be alarmed, it's because it's like literally depositing purple color into your hair. But let me just show you up close. It's so cool how it's like purple and gray. It's basically counteracting the orange. So just let this soak in a little bit more, and then wash it out. And I'll show you the before and after. Another check-in. Can you see my hair? While my hair dries, I'm gonna make some breakfast for my mom because it's Mother's Day. Yeah, it's for you. I just blow dried my hair. I'm a lot ashier, as you can see. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's super easy. It took like 20-30 minutes and $10. So yeah, I hope you give this a try, and if you do, let me know how it goes. But yeah, bye for now.